Hi, this is Yemisi Femi Bias, and I would just like to ask if you build your network marketing business on social media or particularly Facebook. Well, stay tuned. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing some social media tips that I've learned from some industry leaders, and in particular Jessica Hickton. And these tips will actually help you. Now, if you're building a network marketing business, you should be doing both active prospecting, that is reaching out to people, and then passive marketing, that is putting out content and hoping that somebody would find it and reach out to you. Why? Because passive marketing actually takes time, but if you want to get quick results, you need to start with active prospecting. Now, to social media and to Facebook in particular, I'm going to be sharing some of the tips that will help you as your prospecting pool on Facebook. The first tip is that you should only reach out to people that you would like to work with. Facebook has provided a platform for you to know about people some information about people that you've never met before. You can check out their profile picture, see if it's smiling, nice looking picture. You can check out their status updates. What exactly are they posting? That gives you an idea of the kind of person this person is, and you can determine, right ahead if you want to work with that person or not. And as a rule of thumb, only decide to work with people that are positive. You don't want to have negative people, with you working with you. So that's the first thing. You can decide who you want to work with and only reach out to those kind of people. That's the first tip. Now, when you're prospecting people, the second tip is that always use their name, use their first name. Why? Because it shows them that you're personal. It's not just that you're copying and pasting messages all over the place. And people feel like they feel that connection with you. Which takes me to the third tip. If you're prospecting on social media, you can actually reach out to anybody in any part of the world. But if you start prospecting locally, it also helps people to connect with you better because they feel, oh, we live in the same town, and they feel that there's a basis for connection. So that kind of builds that rapport, almost immediately. So prospect everywhere, but also consider prospecting locally, reaching out to people, and then you can also have meetings. You can meet with them one-on-one, and it makes it very, very, cool. And then the last tip is that try to connect with people. Try to, find out a bit about them before you pitch them in the business. Jessica actually recommends, doing at least three messages back and forth before you pitch your business. But honestly, it could be more than that. The important thing is that don't just pitch your business immediately. Rather, connect with people, find out if there's a need, and then provide your opportunity as a solution to the need. If there's no need, well and good, at least you found a friend. So I hope you found value in this video. Feel free to like, to share, and to comment. Visit my website at yemicfemi-fires.com. Enter an email address and I will send you my 15 sources of generating leads online. Until I catch you on the next video. Take care and bye.